internet, today I have a new Zenpop Box video for you to film. Hey internet, today I have a new Zenpop Box unboxing video to film for you today. Let's get right into the unboxing video. And this is, ooh, it's August. Okay, so this is it's a summer pack. Oh, I wish it was summer. It's still winter right now, about to go into spring. So this is the Japanese summer pack. I love all the fruits and how colorful everything is. It's so pretty. Okay, feels like there's less than usual. Maybe there's just more smaller items. We'll start off with this one, small animal balls. There's just like the, I never get it right, pachinko, where you put in like money. What is this? Okay, there's little pads, writing notes, notepads. Yeah, I think these are notepads, right? Why does this feel different? Like maybe these pads have come off the back, so they've just moved up a little bit. Ah, okay, no, I've got it wrong. Pachinko is a different one. These are like gacha where you just put money in and you get like a little toy that comes out. But yeah, these are just like really mini memo pads, and I think they're floating around just because they've come off the back a little bit, but for the most part, these are just like little notes that you could fill out. There's a lot of them. There, these are like stickers. I'm pretty sure deco stickers of shells. Ah, here you go. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's all the different types of shell designs you can get. They'd be really nice to decorate a spread with. So the stickers are using the strip, like the wash. It's like a washi paper type of sticker paper. And then these ones are post-it notes. Post-it notes, yeah. Oh, it's so cute. I love this one. It's like the tiniest to-do list ever. But I do love this like rainbow effect with the to-do list. Maybe I should start doing that in my bullet journal. I like that effect. But yeah, very cute. We have a couple pens, which I will put aside to test at the end of the video. Oh, this is a ruler. I love these like 2-point rulers, and they have like the little axes here at the, forget whether to bring it up or not for you guys to see. But yeah, the little axes. Let me open this up. There you go. So you get your ruler like this, but if you need it to be longer, which I always do, then you just kind of pull it and then clip it. And then it turns into like a full 30-centimeter ruler. My pencil cases are not this long, so these sort of rulers really help with that. And it's so cute, it's so ice cream inspired. Okay, what is this? Wow, it's like little watermelon foam wood pieces. So this is apparently a lettering set. So this is the letter paper back here. You can write a letter. These are the envelopes, and then you seal them with a watermelon. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Apparently this is supposed to be, I'm just looking at the like notes on the side, and it says that this paper is made of EO Japanese paper, which it's supposed to be some really old paper coming from the Endo era. Like I feel really bad because I want to open it to play with it, but then because I don't use them straight away, then it becomes messy to like store and keep. But I do love this concept. It's very cute. Oh, we have another pen. My bad. And then, what is this? This is like a, oh, it's like a post-it note. Alright, it's like a post-it note set. So there's different ones you can get. I'm looking at the paper. There were 6 different designs. This one is beer, which is a little unfitting for me because I'm not really a beer drinker. Actually, as you guys know, I don't drink alcohol at all. So I don't know, maybe I'll give these to Tobias and then he can send them off to his family or something. Ironically enough, Tobias, being German, also doesn't drink beer. So, but his family does. His family loves beer, so maybe we can do that. And then the last one is washi tape. So let me just quickly open this up so I can show you guys what it looks like. This one here is space ice cream. I can't really see the design so clearly, but you can kind of see like ice cream bits, and it's just like ice cream floating in space. So I don't think there's actual like spaceships or anything. It's literally just space ice cream. Just so cute. Okay, so that's everything I got in the box. I'm gonna put a few of these things aside, get those pens back out, and let's test them. Okay, so we have 4 pens to test out today. One of this requires a little bit of setup because I've had this one before. I think I have the green one. It's basically a brush pen with glitter in it, and I have the green version. This is the glitter pink version. So I will probably do this one last because it does require a bit of setup, but I will test these ones out now. So this one is the Sakura Micron Pigma in green. I think it's a 0.3. So that's what that one looks like. feels like a normal felt tip, but the thing about the Sigma, why am I saying Sigma? The thing about the Sakura, I think it's because I see S and then Pigma, so I think Sigma, but this is Sakura pen range, is that these are waterproof. So if you want to watercolor, if you want to use it to sketch something and then watercolor it later, you can definitely do that. So I have quite a few Sakura pens. I don't have this one in particular, so that's good. But I do have a few of them which I use when I want to sketch something out, like the outline that I want to color in later with watercolor. So the next pen is this one here, 0.5 Metallic Violet. It is a Pilot Metallic Juice Gel pen in 0.5 Metallic Violet. I have quite a few of these ones, but not the metallic range. And the ones I have is the 0.38. So here's an example. I have like a pot of them next to me. So it's basically just a retractable pen, just push down. Why is this? Oh, I had to screw it in a little bit. Let me just try. I'm just going to color in a little portion so you guys can see what the color actually looks like. It writes really well, very, very smooth. And you do see, I'm not sure if I have, can I bring this up? Yeah. It's kind of like, you can kind of see the metallicness, there you go, when it's like the sun's reflecting on it. I wish I could zoom you guys more in. I'm using a different camera just because the one that I usually the camera that I usually use, my Canon G7X, this one here, is not working very well. It's kind of broken at the moment, so I can only use it for certain things like vlogging where the focus point doesn't matter so much, but because I'm doing stationery and close-up things, I want stuff to like focus really well. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get another one of those because they're really good. So that's that pen. And then the last one is a Sakura, it's like a jelly roll. Like these ones, I used to have these in high school and I love these pens. I remember them being referred to as like the jelly pen. So this is a Sakura ball sign pen. It's a bonus item, apparently only for subscription packs. So if you buy a Zenpop Box pack individually, then you might not get this. I think the thickness of this is a 0.5, but I'm not sure. It doesn't really say. There's nothing here that says, I don't know, is it maybe 0.8? It doesn't really say the thickness of it, but let's give it a shot. So it should be very like sparkly green. Okay. And then I'll just color in a little bit. It's very metallic. It's kind of like the Pilot pen I just used, but it does seem thicker, so maybe it is like a 0.8. There, can you see? Not as metallic as the purple one, but it's okay. Yeah, and it definitely is thicker. It's nice. And apparently this works really good on dark paper, so I'm actually going to test that out now, because what's the point of doing this video if I don't test it out? So give me 1 second, I need to actually find some black paper. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to regret this, because this is actually a notebook. This is just the outside of a notebook that I have, which I actually sketch a lot of my sticker designs on. But I want to test this out for you guys. So I'm going to write a little, like I think I'll draw a little heart in the book corner, so it doesn't ruin the entire book, but at least you can see exactly what it's going to be like on dark paper. Okay. Oh wow, alright. Does take a little bit of drawing, like a little bit of writing, but that's what it looks like on dark paper. That's so cool. It comes out really well. All right, so yeah, if you want a pen to write on black, this is definitely a good one for that. All right, and the last one is this brush pen. I'm gonna set this up. I did a setup for this in a previous video. This particular brush pen is from Kuretake, which they're really known for making some of their really beautiful brush pens. It should be metallic as well. Seems to be a theme of this whole kit is that everything is very metallic. So you pull out the little separator that I just had, and then you push it back in, and that should break the ink cartridge seal or whatever, so that the ink from here flows through to the brush. And then here it has like little push where it just wants you to push it down so that the ink can flow through. Just gotta be careful not to push too hard, because you don't want to create like a leaking problem later on where you push too much ink through. I'm gonna give it a shot, see how I go. Wow, did you guys see? I don't know how clear that was. I'm gonna try again. It's really nice. It writes really smoothly. The ink is a lot lighter than I thought it would be. It's like not a fluorescent pink, but it's quite a, it's kind of in that vein, quite a blue pink. And however, I don't see any glitter. Do you guys see any glitter in it? I don't see any. I do, however, see quite a bit of glitter build up just here. You guys, I don't know if it's very visible on camera. In person, it's quite visible, but there's quite a bit of glitter build up just there, in there. So I don't know, maybe it takes a little bit for the glitter to come through, but it doesn't come through immediately. It's still a beautiful pen though, like I really like it. And this is the bleed through, which there is no bleed through, so that's really good for any of the pens. So yeah, that's everything in August's Zenpop stationery box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your favorite product was. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.